Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to sign up or get started with Stumble Guys game on your mobile device. So let's get started. First, download the Stumble Guys application on your mobile device and launch it open. Soon after you launch it open, you'll be able to see this interface. You can directly play the game without signing up, or if you want to track your progress in the game, you'll need to sign up from the main homepage. Tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner, which will then take you to the settings menu. At the very top, there are three options. You can either log in with your Facebook account, with your Apple account, or connect to an email account. You can select any one option to begin signing up for Stumble Guys. In today's video, I'm gonna tap on the login option right next to email. It'll then take you to a new website. Simply tap on continue and you'll end up in id.scopely.com. You'll now need to create a Scopely account to sign up and get started playing the game. Enter an email address that you have an access to inside the email text box. Now tap on Get Sign In link. You'll now need to go ahead and log into your Scopely account if you already have an account. Go ahead and type in your valid email address and tap on the Get Sign In link button and log into your Scopely account with the sign in link sent to your email inbox. If you don't have a Scopely account yet, tap on Create a Scopely account link. Now, enter a valid email for your account. After entering an email you have an access to, if you want to receive offers and game updates from Scopely in this particular email, tap on this little square box. If you don't want to receive it, leave the box unchecked and then click on Agree and Get Sign Up link button. Soon after you do that, you'll now need to open up the email that you just entered. Open up your email and you'll receive an email inbox from Scopely. Tap it open and then tap on Create Scopely account link. Select a web browser from the list and you have successfully signed up for a Scopely account. You can now get back to the Stumble Guys application, tap on Close this page, and you have successfully connected your email with Stumble Guys. Now that means you have successfully signed up. You can now get back and start playing the game once you've finished signing up. That was how you can easily sign up for Stumble Guys. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.